We have, I hope you guys can hear me. The system is saying that it's muted. But anyways, let's try, we need to find what x is, right? So this is 12 right here. Okay, this is 12. All right. Make that a little better right there. It's kind of bad. Bear with me, okay? This is new to me too, in terms of using the software here. So this is 60, this is 30, and this is 90. So this has to be what? Well, I'm gonna change my color to blue now. Okay, so this has to be 60. Okay, so that means that this right here is gonna be the hypotenuse because it's the opposite of the longest side. So this is the hypotenuse, and in Greek it means the side facing the opposite of 90. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse, and it's a side facing the 90 degrees. Okay, so we need to find x, right? Now x is facing 60 degrees, and this right here, although it's not drawn to scale, is facing the 30 degrees. So this is a short. This side is a shorter leg. Short or leg, and this one is the longer leg. To make it easier, I just call this medium. This one medium, small, and this is the large. This is the hypotenuse is always the longest side of a right triangle. So since we have that now, how come we cannot use the Pythagorean theorem? Well, because we have two unknown and one unknown. So hypotenuse, the Pythagorean theorem here, it does not work. So we cannot use this. Okay, it's limited. But for 45, 45, we are able to use that. We could only use this to check, okay? So this is no good here, no good, okay? So now, then how do we solve this? Well, we have to know the relationship, okay? We have to know relationship. So this one over here, the shorter leg, okay, which let's call this a variable, let's call this y then, okay? Y is gonna equal half of the longer leg. Half of it. Okay, so that's going to be 6 radical 3. Okay. And the longer leg in this case is x. X going to be radical 3 times the value of the shorter leg. So the shorter leg is y here. We're going to multiply y times radical 3. Now you don't have to put the dot there, but I want to make sure you know that we have to multiply this by a radical 3. Okay. So now, since we know the shorter leg, we're going to go ahead and multiply this by radical 3. Now, you probably need to review the radicals here, just like what I was doing on the last video. So radical 3 times radical 3 is radical 9, which is 3, right? So it's going to be 6 times 3. So x is 18, and that's going to be our final answer, okay? So if you go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem, okay, now you can use it because I have 3 sides, okay, but the question was asking for the value of x, so we found it, so that means we are happy right here. Okay, see you on the next video.